Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with Director Carson, where the next of Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 11. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Cowbot. Knuckles stretching.
It comes down to this final toss for the young echidna from Angel Island. He'll need a score of 4 to take the championship. Can he do it? Can he score a 4? The crowd is on their feet. Can you get on with it already?
Did Knuckles just throw Sonic to the tree and the crocodile's falling like 1, 2, 3, and then 4? Oh, they're playing a game, huh?
The team of Knuckles and Sonic has bested the team of Sonic and Knuckles. Wait a minute. You were playing against yourselves.
No, weren't you listening? We beat Sonic and Knuckles. In your face, Sonic and Knuckles!
Funny.
Behold, rodents! Prepare to face the most fierce and destructive force ever to grace this or any other world.
For the what?
It'll be just a minute. Feel free to talk amongst yourselves.
How long is it gonna take?
Your doom is coming, I assure you.
Is it gonna be here?
Here it is now. This is Cowbot.
Cowbot? Like, robot cow?
It's a cow.
It's a cowbot. Cowbot? That has to be the lamest thing you've ever come up with. Not true. There was Spoonbot, a Crybot, a Mathbot. Oh, and who can forget Lamebot? Wait, what am I saying? Yeah.
Forgot about that one. My breakfast is trying to kill me.
Oh, time to move my laundry to the dryer. I leave you in Cowbot's capable hooves. Okay, guys, let's destroy this thing so we can get back to Coconut Hurl. Oh, and did I mention that Cowbot is filled with plutonium, a pun-based radioactive compound? If you destroy him, he'll vaporize everything in a 20-mile radius. Toodles!
Cowbot doesn't have weapons. I was wrong. He has a missile from his mouth.
My record!
Ran in a tree and lost Knuckles' record.
Looks like there's an access panel on top. If I can get to it, maybe I can reprogram Cowbot.
Time to tip this cow. I'll distract him.
One,
Any day now, guys. 2,
3.
4. I mean 3.
Nice one, guys. She tipped the cow. Whoa, they almost got squirted right from the milk.
We're not.
Tails? What's going on?
Not sure. Its original programmer was to destroy Sonic. So, since I reversed it...
It's going after Eggman. Classic.
Good one, Tails.
Not classic. It's awful. That thing's a killing machine, and if it explodes, no more Eggman.
Ooh, that sounds bad, Amy.
Not cool, Sonic. Fine. I'll go warn him. Tails, you come with me and bring your science stuff.
You got it, Sonic.
And while you're there, ask him how he gets out grass stains. His whites are always so white.
What? Sonic and Tails are gonna warn Eggman to help him?
Tails, wait here. Who knows what kind of crazy defenses Eggman has? Huh, nothing. You think you know a villain? Oh, I wasn't expecting company. Yeah, I figured that out. Don't you have some kind of defense system? And pants? Funny story. I used parts from my defense system to make the cowbot I sent to destroy you. How'd that work out, by the way? Tails reprogrammed it, and now it's on its way here to destroy you instead. So, good luck with all that. Toodles! But you can't just leave me here without my defenses. I'd be, what's the word? Defenseless?
Do you need us to bring your defense systems back online?
Nah, I'm good. Unless you've activated Cowbot Stage 2 directive. Then my defenses will be useless. That's not that whole red eyes thingy, is it? Yeah, how'd you know? Lucky guess?
The only way to stop Cowbot is to upgrade Eggman's defense system.
You do that for me? After all the terrible, yet totally justified, things I've tried to do to you? A good thing I told you to bring your science stuff, huh, Tails? You start working on Eggman's defenses. I'll gather up parts. And Eggman, put on some pants.
Well, some hands, and here we go. What? Sonic made chili dogs for his lunch? No kidding. He sealed up Dr. Eggman's fortress. Good idea.
Okay, when Cowbot comes in range, Eggman will lower the force field. I'll zap Cowbot with the freeze ray, and Tails, you fly over and disarm it. Alright, let's rock!
Let's butcher this bovine!
I think we have some time. You want to go inside? I got cocoa.
That is some interesting cocoa.
Want to guess my secret ingredient? If he says love, I'm out of here.
Is it nutmeg?
Close. It's actually a tablespoon of garlic powder.
Garlic? My favorite stuff was garlic.
Whoa. Toaster! What, were you raised in a barn? Ugh. Want to guess the secret ingredient? Garlic? Nope. Love. Just kidding, it's garlic. I thought he was annoying when he was just trying to destroy us. Don't go in there, it's a trap!
Too late.
You went in there? Yeah, and after you warned her and everything. So what do you guys do for fun?
Here we are at the Coconut Hurl Grand Championship. Sonic the Hedgehog will be tossing his arch rival, Dr. Eggman. Let's join the game. Already in progress.
Just like back in the island.
Ooh, that's going to be a penalty.
Hey, I got an idea!
They've done it! A new record!
Wow, new record for Eggman. Nice.
We've been up forever. When is Cowbot gonna get here? You're so impatient, Sonic. Sometimes you gotta slow down and enjoy life.
Having Kevin up there to see Cowbot is gonna get here, huh?
Sticky, but good.
Really good.
I never get to do stuff like this with Orbot and Cubot. Marshmallows always gunk up their circuitry. Yeah, that's the problem with having no real friends. Yeah. Hey, you know who I hate? That Dave the intern. Am I right, huh? You know, I never gave him that much thought.
Are there any more marshmallows?
Hey, Sonic, bro to bro. What's up with you and Amy?
Next morning.
Wake up, wake up!
Engage all defense systems!
Turning off the force field. I'm having some trouble here. This thing's all gunked up. My hands are sticky from the marshmallows.
They could just wash it in the sink in the bathroom.
Marshmallow! If they gunk up our machinery, they'll gunk up Cowbot's too!
But how are we going to reach the access panel? Ready, aim, fire! said aim. Oh, was that meant for me? Ready, aim, fire.
Sonic, finish him.
It worked!
That's the beauty of teamwork.
Not teamwork, my master plan. I tricked you into helping me upgrade my security system. Now I can use your own tech against you. Oh, so that's how it's gonna be, huh?
He gunked it up all the machines of his shield.
I really need to stop doing that thing where I gloat and explain exactly what you need to do to stop me. Our work here is done. Come on, Tails. Dr. Eggman, may we come out now? No. Ooh, marshmallows!
I don't think you're supposed to eat them. And they got gunked up. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 11, Cowbots, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I'll make some more videos. So, goodbye.